Chinese herbs can be very helpful for menstrual cramps, and I'd like to share with you one case history that I had. This girl came to me, and she had been having severe cramps ever since she started menstruating at the age of 14, and very debilitating. The 2 days before and during the first day, those 3 days, she just couldn't do anything. She had to lay in bed until it was over. And so that's a lot to give up 3 days of your life where you can't go anywhere, do anything, and you're just ill. So she came to me hoping that I could help her, and we put her on some herbal formulas. We did some acupuncture as well. And I went through 3 cycles with her. So I gave her herbs to take, 5 to 7 days before her menstrual cycle, and then during, and then after. And she followed the regime for about 3 months. And she was just ecstatic. After the third cycle, she had no pain, and she just had never experienced that in her entire life. So very, very effective. If you're having any menstrual cramps, I highly suggest you visit your acupuncture physician or herbalist to get some herbs to get relief and balance your body. So I would like to share with you some formulas that I sometimes prescribe in the clinic. In the clinic, sometimes menstrual cramps are due to cold in the uterus. And if that's the case, I would prescribe this particular one. It's called Balance Cold. So it's going to warm the uterus. Sometimes that cold causes blood stagnation, and the blood stagnation then causes pain. So this is a very good formula for that. And then the next 3 are I would either add to or use separately. The next one, this one is called Calm in the Sea of Life. I would diagnose this if there was clotting in the menstrual cycle. And so this will break the blood station that causes the clots. And sometimes those blood clots, just passing them, causes pain. The next one, this is called Bu Tao. I would prescribe this if you had heavy bleeding during the menstrual cycle. It's not a normal bleeding. It's a very heavy, and it causes pain and problems. So this stops the bleeding, and it also does it by warming the uterus. And the 4th one that I have here, this one is called Great Corydalis, and this is a very good one just for general pain in general. And usually it's pain due to the blood stagnation, so it moves the blood and relieves pain. So I might prescribe 1 or more of these formulas depending on how you present, and this is just an example of some of them. There's very many formulas to choose from. As with all herbal formulas, it's very important to consult with your acupuncture physician or herbalist prior to use to make sure you have the proper diagnosis, treatment plan, and herbal prescription. This is a safe recipe that you can do at home, and this will help relieve menstrual disorders, especially the liver qi type stagnation disorders, and that's going to be like PMS, premenstrual syndrome pain. So you're going to use 1 cup of barley, and then you want to soak that overnight first, and then add in 1 tablespoon of brown rice syrup. And so you add the barley to 3 cups water, bring to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer for 30 minutes, add the syrup, and serve. And this recipe comes from the ACNA system, Chinese Nutritional Analysis by Mao Xing Ni, if you're interested in more recipes that are helpful that you can use at home.